Okay, this is going to be the next thing I'm installing in my car. I have a 2012 Audi A7, and this is a media mirror. And what it do is, while you're driving, it records the front and the rear. Also, it's a regular mirror when you power it off, but when it's powered on, it's an LCD screen. So your rear view mirror is basically an LCD screen. You get the 12-inch LCD screen with it. You get a GPS with it. You get the power. You get the little pry tools, and you get the little clamps to clamp it onto the back of your mirror to hold it up there. There's also a reverse camera, but I already started wiring everything up, and yeah, I'll give you a quick walk around, show you what I got going on real quick. But so far, so good. This is actually the probably 8th one of my vehicles I installed this on. I just never did videos. But it's pretty straightforward and easy install. And I love the LCD screen mirror. I'm gonna hook everything up. I'm just gonna hook a couple things up real quick just to show you what it looked like. So the way I'm wiring the camera is, you come around to this side. I don't want to show my plate, but let's see. Bang. Drill a hole right above the plate for the camera. Yes, it will be secured, and yes, it will be tighter. Came in here and I pull the bottom piece off along with this. The way it comes out is, you have this piece right here, you open it, there's 2 screws in there. Once you pull the 2 screws out, just get your pry tool and go around the edge here, and it'll just, everything pops right out. Be careful when you get right here, because you know you got to take it down. And once I did that, I ran the wire for the camera through, just zip tied it to a couple of the other wires up here, and I fished it all the way down through here. I brought it down through here. I basically followed the path of the original wires that's coming down through there. And this wire right here, which was also attached to that wire, I'm going to either add this to the reverse fuse or the reverse wire, light wire. One of the two. Either way it goes, it's got to get hooked up to the reverse. So when you go in reverse, your camera will automatically switch to reverse, and it will also give you the reverse lines. But you also have that with your original camera setup too, so you don't have to worry about it if you don't want to. So also, right, you come in here, like I said, I took my headliner down so I can do my Maybach lighting, or starlight ceiling, or whatever y'all want to call it. But I took the wires and I just pretty much put them all above the airbag right there, as you can see. So once you do that, you know, you get as much wire as you want to make things happen. All this is going to be above here, so when I put the headliner back on, you're not going to see, the only wires you're going to see probably is the ones coming out of the actual piece up there. All these other wires, and see right now when these come, they come with a cigarette power supply. But what I have is, I have a 12-volt supply with a positive and negative end. All I have to do is run it to a fuse, which comes on and off with the car. And I don't have any of these wires out. I don't like having wires hanging. The navigation wire right here, I'm gonna tuck it under, run it down one of the A-pillars, and put it probably, I don't know, I might just leave it right above here. I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure it out. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what I was doing real quick. Okay, so I'm up in the car now, and it's dirty in here. It's very dirty, very unorganized. I haven't put nothing together yet, so I just want to show y'all This is the back. This is the back of the mirror that's gonna go across the original mirror, right? So that's the camera for the front. I'll go ahead and pull the sticker off because I know I'm going to forget. Bang. Okay, so the mirror is gonna be up like this. As you can see, it have a sticker on it right now, but if the power's off, it can still double as a regular mirror, right? So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the little pieces up, I'm gonna power it up, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. So give me a few minutes and I'll be right back with y'all. I'm gonna stop the video and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm fumbling the camera because I'm using one hand. Okay, as you can see on top right here, you have the power, you have the rear view camera, and you have the navigation. I just have the navigation sitting up here on top of my deck right now, just to show y'all how it works. That's all. And as you can see, I sprayed a wasp in here earlier, and everything's dirty up in here. Wires everywhere, like it's crazy. I took my headliner out because I am getting ready to do my starlight ceiling probably this weekend as well. So I figured since I'm doing that, I might as well go ahead and do this. So let me show you how this goes up. I gotta do a little fumbling. Now let me zoom a little bit. I'm gonna use my watch. All right, so this is how it goes up. It goes up like this. And then around like that. Around like that. Okay. Okay, so this is how it sets up here, right? Now me, I normally take the factory one off and just leave this on the actual factory bezel. So okay, let me show you, right? So my back trunk is up back there. As you can see, the trunk is up, so the camera's pointing up. The camera's not even secured back there either. So if you look, right, I can adjust the screen. Even though the trunk is up, I can still adjust the screen, right? Also, let me show you. Right now it's recording front and back. If I hit that, that's the front of the car right there. That's everything in the front. The camera's pointing upward, like so. Bang. Now it's pointing down towards the car. I don't have this. Bang. Okay. Yes, that's my junkie garage. Chill. So, oh, that's the headliner over there. Anyway, so yeah, this is how it looks. Well, the wires, all the wires is gonna be tucked. All the wires are gonna be tucked up and under. So, you know, I just wanted to throw this up real quick just to show y'all what it looked like. But this is an LCD screen. That's the front camera. This is the front and rear camera. Got a crazy glare. Okay, that's the front and rear camera. That's just the rear camera. And if you stop it, you can go back to the files and you can play. Let's say there was an accident or something, right? You can go back. See? This is one of the reasons why I have it, because Georgia traffic's crazy, man. See? It's playing the video that I just recorded, basically. So, once I'm done, I might make another video just to give you a heads up and show y'all what's going on with it. And as you can see, still haven't finished this. I will soon. Right now, I'm just getting all this together. So once I'm done, I'll come back and make another video.